Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Tips for Learners. Today let us learn about action verbs and linking verbs. What is an action verb? An action verb tells what action someone or something is performing. What are linking verbs? A linking verb is the one that connects its subject with another word that renames or describes the subject. Can we learn to differentiate the action verb and the linking verb? To know the difference, let us look at some examples. The fire alarm sounded. So here in this sentence, which is the action verb? Sounded. Let's analyze the next sentence. He was our second Prime Minister. So what is a linking verb? A linking verb connects its subject with another word that renames or describes the subject. In this sentence, the linking verb was connects the subject he with another word that renames. Here it is the Prime Minister. So was is the linking verb here. Now let's analyze next two sentences. Try to identify the action verb and the linking verb. They laughed at the clown. So here obviously the action verb is laughed. The sun seems unusually big. So here the sun and big are connected by the linking verb seems. So now you would get an idea what is a linking verb, isn't it? Let us go through some examples and identify whether the verb is a linking verb or action verb. Shall we? He is our coach. So which is the verb here? Is. Is it an action verb? No, it's a linking verb. The mobile rings often. So the verb is rings, which is an action verb. Milk turns bad quickly unless refrigerated. So what is the role of the verb turns here? It's a linking verb. The farmers grew paddy during the summer. The verb grew is an action verb. The injured boy stumbled onto the footpath. So what is the position of stumbled here? It is an action verb. His forehead feels hot to the touch. The verb feels is not an action verb. It is a linking verb. He memorized the opening stanza of the poem. So the verb memorized is definitely an action verb. He looked pale and worried. So what does the verb look imply? Yes, it's an action verb. The express train may be late this evening. So what about the verb may be? It's a linking verb. The kitten grew bigger every day. So here the verb grew is a linking verb because it links kitten to bigger. The kitten raced around the living room. So here raced denotes an action. So definitely it's an action verb. Their dinner should be ready by now. So here the verb should be acts as a linking verb. The injured victim remained unconscious. So what about the verb remain here? So here the linking verb remained is a link between victim and unconscious. Your behavior might have been less rude. So have you identified the verb here? Might have been. This is the linking verb. So it links the behavior and rudeness. Riya decided to apply for the job. So here decided is the verb which is an action verb. The cake was light and delicious. Was is the linking verb between cake and delicious. Thanks for learning and watching. Stay tuned for some more.